How to download Poppy Playtime Chapter 1 in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Poppy Playtime in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for people who do not know what Poppy Playtime is, it is an episodic survival horror video game where you can just play on your mobile. So to download that, simply open up your App Store. You can open up your Google Play Store as well. And after you open it up, just head over to the search bar and search for Poppy Playtime Chapter 1. After you search for it, you should find it right here. Now, I cannot actually find it due to it not being available in my region, but you should get it on your App Store. After you get it, simply tap on the download button to download it. Now, if you do not find it in your region, what you can do is you can actually just wait for it to be available, and yeah, the creators should make it available in your region soon. And if they do not make it, you cannot actually play it, and we do not support you to download it from untrusted resources. So yeah, you can get the Poppy Playtime from your Google App Store or Play Store. As you can see right here, it is available in the apps, but it's not available in my region. So there we go, it's right here after you search for it in the web browser. Now you can get it for $3.99, and it's that simple to download. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.